going on? It's your boy Loren the Barber. I'm back with another episode, a quick one. We're gonna run through this because I got me a new little something I'm using later on today. So I'm gonna do a demonstration. So we got the Babyliss Pro VibeFX and cordless massager. So this is just good for when you're doing facials, doing steam towels. So let's get right to it. So it's Babyliss Pro VibeFX. Let me let y'all see the front. Let me let y'all see the side. Let me let y'all see the back. Let me let you see the other side. The back, we'll run through it real quick. Stainless steel housing. We have the brushless motor with long life, dual offsets weights, twice the massaging efficiency of other brands, flexible coil straps, lithium battery, 60-minute runtime, high and low 2 speeds, dual voltage, cord or cordless use. Alright, we open it up. Easy work. Slide this baby out. Looks like they got a bunch of goodies up in here for me. That box, throw that box over there. I'll clean it up later. I'm a clean person. I'm just running through stuff. That's why I'm throwing it over there. Don't mind me. So this is the instructions, like I said, with everybody. If y'all are hair geeks or whatever the case, tool geeks, always read the instructions. But I'm not. These are the instructions. Just showing the instructions. Give you a little barberology sticker. If you're a label person, barberology, big time, Babyliss, big time right now, Babyliss Pro. Give you a little pouch. Cool little pouch too. Cool little pouch. I'm appreciative of these pouches. Got that. Got that. Alright, right there. Turn this over. Like they had the typical charger of Babyliss. Man, they ain't playing no games. You gotta put a little muscle in there, or is there some tape on it? I don't want you to get this charger out that easy. There it is. Man, there wasn't no tape on it or nothing, just stuck in there. But that's the charger. The typical. It's a little bigger than the usual, actually. So this thing must be powerful. Okay, typical. Typical. All right. This thing is in the plastic. Throw that over there. We got wrapped in the bag. Got it in the bag for you. Take it out the bag. So there it is. It look good. I'll tell you that. It look good. Chromed out. All right, boss man. Yep. Chromed out. Babyliss Pro. Got your little just switches and stuff like that. You got the high. You got the option of putting it on high, low, turn it off. So you charge it right here in the front. That's the port. Just take the charger right there in the front. Easy work. And I always charge mine up first. So if I don't know if it comes with, matter of fact, we're gonna see right now. Well, it comes with a little charger already. This baby's strong too. Look at that. Alright. So it'll come charged up a little bit, but I always put mine on the charger first anyway. So we're gonna do that in a minute here, but see, this is how you do it. This is how you operate it. So what you do is you put your hand inside this. It's one bigger than the other. So you obviously go in this way first, and then put you end it right there. So when I'm doing steam towels, I'm going to do the demonstration later. When I'm doing a steam towel or any type of facial or whatever, so I would turn this on right here. So vibrate, and then you do the regular, you know, if you're doing a facial, you're doing your, you know, all of the little movements or whatever the case. I'm going to do the demonstration later, but as you see my hands vibrate, so it's giving a massaging effect, so it loosens up the blood circulation. So it brings the blood circulation to the surface, of the skin, and it opens up the pores, and it makes the haircut a lot closer, a lot easier, make everything look good, turn out good. So, you know, quick demonstration, that's all. This is the Babyliss Pro, the VibeFX. There it is right there. So, as usual, follow me on all of my social media sites, Loren the Barber _ on Instagram, Loren the Barber on every site. That's Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and of course YouTube. So like, subscribe, and share this video for me. Leave me a comment, tell me how I'm doing. Alright.